So today I am really excited to share with you wrestling photo collage template design in Canva, and I will explain every step in detail, and if you don't want to miss any step, please watch till the end of this video. For this I will use a custom size and I will change the units to inches, and here the width will be 36 and the height will be 24. So this is the size. You can either use this one or directly click on create a new design. Now I will go to text here and click on add a heading, and here I will write W. Okay, and I will change the font to Sports World. So I have recently used it so that I can explain you in detail. So it is showing in my recently used section. If you want to use it, so you just type in sports and you will get this Sports World. And after that, just bring it here. And after that, just click once outside and click it here and duplicate it. Now I will use the next alphabets, which is wrestling. I will write. So as you can see, the alphabets are written here. Now I will just select all of them and make the size as 390. Okay, and after that I will just use the alphabets and I will just position them. So I have positioned all of them. So you might be asking that why I was not using this space evenly button. So let me show you. If I would have used the space evenly button, what would have happened is, let's click on duplicate page, and if I select this all of them by pressing Ctrl+A in the keyboard and right click it and place on space evenly and then tidy up, it will just overlap the W and R. So that is the main problem which I was facing. So that I didn't use this space evenly button. So I will delete the page because it is not required. Now I will select all of them and I will just middle it here and also middle it here. So in both the ways it is middled, and after that I will just change the text color to white. Okay, and after that I will click on R and let's make it bigger and let's move it till here. I will keep some position in the gutter margin here and some position above also in the gutter margin. So when this is done, now just change the color to black. Okay, and after that I will click on L and I will use the stroke weight as 15. Okay, and I will rotate it to 90 degrees for a straight line, and I will just bring it here. Okay, and hold on to shift button in the keyboard so that you can extend it with a straight line. Just extend it upwards also. Okay, and after that duplicate it, again duplicate it, again duplicate it. So as you can see, it is set, but we have to just arrange it. So I will just move the lines here slightly here, and I will just arrange it again, and I will just move it here. So I will just select the lines and holding on to shift I will just move it here so that all the lines are extended till here. So after that I will just select this line any line and I will duplicate it again, and this time I will just rotate it to 0 degrees. Okay, and I will just bring it here. Okay, like this, and after that I will just select it here and zoom the page so that I can work on it in a better way. So slightly move it upwards, and after that hold it here and extend it till here. Okay, and duplicate it and bring it right here, and again make it smaller. So as you can see, the lines are here, so just zoom it and check if the lines are matching with each other, because if there is a gap it will not be able to produce a good result for us. So when this is done, now select both of them and just duplicate and bring this one here. Okay, so this one is also set. So let's check if it is set here or not. So this is also set. Now I will just select the alphabets here. Just select the alphabets and press Ctrl+X in the keyboard and click on add page and add it here, and after that just change the color to black. Now select the alternate letters here and just move it slightly down. Okay, keeping like this. Okay, now download only the page 2. Click on share, click on download, make sure it is in PNG and make sure it is a transparent background. There are some more steps left in making the design, but to make your design journey easier, I have prepared 4 template designs, which is a drag and drop template, and you can purchase it from my shop, and let me show you one by one. So this is the first one for which I am making the tutorial, and you can just purchase it for $2.99. And next one is the single photo collage template. So this is the multi photo and this one is single photo, and this is available for just $1. So next one is the senior wrestling photo collage template, and in place of I have used a wrestler drag and drop template. And next one is the portrait template, portrait style, and in here as you can see I have used the costume of the wrestler, or which is known as the wrestling singlet. I have used that in place of I, and you can use that, and this is also available for $2.99. So this is the landscape format and this is the portrait format. So the sizes are, for landscape is 36 cross 24 inches, and for portrait is 24 cross 36 inches. So you can instantly download it and use it for your designs. And so when the downloading is done, click on add page and just choose a lighter background color. For example, I am choosing this one. Okay, and after that just upload the picture which you just downloaded and just make it bigger. Okay, and after that click on edit, scroll down to find shadows and outline, and just don't make any changes in size or intensity, just work on the color, change it to white. Okay, just wait for some time for the effect to get implemented. So the effect is implemented. Now press Ctrl+C in the keyboard to copy it and use it in the first page. Okay, now let's make it bigger so that it gets adjusted in the page. but as you can see, there is a gap in the alphabets, which is a black gap. So to remove that gap, or let's cover that gap, we have to use another trick, which is I will bring on R to activate a rectangle, and I will just decrease the transparency, and I will just bring it here, and cover all the alphabets. Okay, and after that change the color to white and transparency to 100, and after that right click it and go to layer, show layers, just move it below the wrestling text. Okay, so it looks like this. And now I will click on share, click on download, and make sure it is PNG again. Make sure to untick the transparent background and click on current page for page 1. Click on done and click on download. Okay, now I will come to picsvg.com, click on upload a picture, and just upload the picture which you just made it in Canva. And scrolling down, you will find this one where you need to change the filters to internal 3, and it will look like this. Click on download SVG, and now come back again to Canva here and click on add page, and just use a green color as the background, and just click on share, click on download, and download only this page, which is page 4 for us. Click on download. And now I will come to photopea.com, which is a free version of Photoshop, and I will click on open from computer, and I will open the SVG file which I have just downloaded from picsvg.com. And as you can see, all the layers are separated here. Okay, like this, and also the alphabets are separated here. So now we need to work on it. So for this, I will click on file, click on open and place, and this time I will open the background which is green color, which I will use it here. And after that, just make it slightly bigger so that you can cover the edges here, and right click it, click on clipping mask, and just use it in all the layers. So I will do it fast for you. So now as you can see, all the layers are covered. Now click on file, click on save as PSD. And now come back again to Canva, click on add page and remove the background. Go to uploads and just upload the PSD file which you just created in photopea.com. So as you can see, it is uploaded here. Now as you can see, all the layers are coming with a black outline. So to remove that, I will click on any of the layers and right click it, go to layer, show layers, and as you can see, in the back side of every layer there is a black layer, so remove it. So as you can see, all the black layers are removed. Now just click on backspace for the individual layers to reveal the frame. Okay, So like this. So the template is ready and you can use it like this. Let's use some pictures and show you how it looks after adding the pictures. So as you can see, the design is ready and this is how it looks adding the pictures. And if you want, you can just purchase the templates following our link in description and also in the first comments. So please let me know in the comments if you like the tutorial or not, and if you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments as well, and I will be happy to hear from you. And please subscribe to the channel so that you can get regular notifications of our newest tutorials. Thank you.